Kalani, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Did you just kick something? Hey, Freddy, get off. There you go. There you go. This guy here is scaring all the kids. It's a bit too big to be running around here. It's like a 5-year-old. Way too big to be. Uh-oh, 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 oh. Poor kid.